Hello, dancers. I'm dannielwaters, and once again, I'm here with Emily. And today, we're gonna show you our cha-cha combination. Okay, dancers, we're gonna start with a leader and a follower. As always, the leader has to have good memory. The follower has all the style. For the leaders, we're gonna step back with our right foot, and our followers are gonna step front with their left foot. Ready? And one, two. Perfect. Now from here, we're going to do a cha-cha-chá towards that side. And cha-cha-chá. Now I'm going to step forward with my left leg, and Emily's going to step backwards with her right. One, two, cha-cha-chá. Repeat it one more time. One, two, cha-cha-chá. One, two, cha-cha-chá. Great. Now, from here, I'm going to do my 1, 2, and after the cha-cha-chá, I'm going to do a turn. So I'm going to do my 1, 2, cha-cha-chá, step, pivot, cha-cha-chá. Great. Now, I'm going to grab Emily's hand, and for her 1, 2, I'm going to turn her around. And 1, 2, cha-cha-chá. Great. All right, dancers. For this next part, it gets a little tricky because it goes right after that cha-cha-chá. I'm going to grab Emily's right hand and I'm going to swing it across from our bodies because we're both going to face out. I'm going to give a little flare with the hand. We're going to flare out, bring it in, and cha-cha-chá. One more time, flare out, bring it in, and cha-cha-chá, and then out, and then in, and then cha-cha-chá, and then out, and then in, and then cha-cha-chá. Fantastic. From here, we're both going to turn away from each other. We both turn outside, step, pivot, cha-cha-chá, outside, step, pivot, cha-cha-chá. From here, followers are going to take 2 steps backwards, and the leaders are going to prep because we're going to swing our partner in. Let me show you. We're going to go 1, 2. With our left hand, we're going to swing in. We hold them right here because they're going to lean into us. You can look at them. Hello. And then you're going to swing them out and look at each other. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we put out videos every single week and we would love for you to watch them all. That's it for today. Goodbye. So from here, we are both gonna turn outside. We are both gonna from here.
Turn away from
Now, from here